Garage Doors runs deep through our veins. It all started with my grandfather and grandmother, who actually were the first garage door company in Newcastle. I remember going out to site as a child and helping Dad, install the doors. It was a great experience and it was my first job. Our conversations at the dinner table was always about garage doors. What can we do this week? What can we do to improve it? It gives me heaps of pride driving around the town, seeing all our garage doors that we've fitted. Oh look, we did that door, but it gives me the biggest smile. I love it. Back when we first started the business, a lot of it was manual operated doors. You put the key in, turn the lock, lift up the door, and now we can have fully automated doors. We offer just remote control operators. Now we even offer the function of smartphone kits, so that way you can monitor, you can operate your door all from the palm of your hand in your smartphone. Yeah, we look after everybody. Any type of client, so we focus on the mums and dads, we focus on stratas, real estates, all the architectural builders. That's the difference of being with us in a family business. We offer the full service. We actually care. We want to take the time with you to make sure you get the best result for the garage door that you want. So we have a lot of experience in all the custom-made doors that we do. It comes down to a lot of detail, whether it's types of finishes that we can do, the type of look that you're after. We can really tailor something to your needs. Macquarie Garage Doors is as local as you can get. We've been here a long time servicing this area and we don't plan on going anywhere soon.